Hello, this is Nina Tomacheva, your South Florida real estate agent, and right now I want to show you the house for rent in Stuart. Very nice, quiet community. It's a very small community with clubhouse and the pool. So this townhouse is 3-bedroom, 2.5 baths, 1,600 square feet living space, not including garage or outdoor space. Is listed for $2,500 a month, year-round rental. Everything in Florida now negotiable, so you can probably get this house for less than this amount. So let me take you inside. Once again, it is Stuart townhouse, 3-bedroom, 3 baths, or 2.5 officially, which means 1 bathroom on the first floor is just a half bath, and it is 1,600 square feet, listed for $2,500 a month for annual rental. Very nice, clean. When you enter, you can enter through the door or through this garage, which is convenient. This is what I mentioned, half bath. Closets. And when you enter, you see the living room with the outdoor space. It's gated. And nice kitchen with the kitchen island. This community was built in 2015, so it's basically new community. Two-story townhouse, no cupboards, which is great. Everything is freshly painted, nicely clean. This is one of the guest bedrooms. This is the second bedroom. All bedrooms have closets, so this one is smaller than the first one. And now we are approaching master bedroom area, but first I'm going to show you this bathroom is shared by these 2 bedrooms. Again, closet space with washer and dryer in it, full size. AC, which looks in a perfect condition, but since you're renting, everything, all the appliances are gonna be included in your rent, and if something breaks, you don't have to pay. Obviously, if you don't break it on purpose, you don't have to pay or maintain. You just have to put filters in the AC, and that's it. If something goes bad, it's gonna be on the landlord to fix it. Nice big walk-in closet. In the master bedroom. Oh, sorry, master bathroom. So let me know if you need any annual rentals. I do short-term rentals as well in season. I don't really like to do them, but I do, because lots of times people rent for a short time and then they fall in love with Florida and they buy. And obviously I always try to help people anyway, no matter what, if they rent for a year, annual, or for a season. Except I have to mention, if you rent for anything that less than 6 months and a day, you have to pay additional 13% tax, which our Palm Beach County government is charging. So it's not the landlord, it is done specifically to try not to let people rent all the time and stimulate them rent yearly, year round. That's the purpose of that. I just want to show you the kitchen a little bit more. Granite countertops, electric stove. Looks like everything is in nice condition. And once again, if any appliances go bad, it's on the landlord to fix them. I'm gonna take you to the clubhouse. The clubhouse has a pool, changing rooms and shower, so that's basically it. No gym or anything else like fancy, but that's why it is very cheap for the landlord. It's not gonna be a huge HOA, which is not gonna be obviously passed along for you to pay. When you rent, HOA is included in the payment, but obviously if the landlord pays a lot for HOA, the rental price is gonna be much higher. Makes sense. So the less landlord pays HOA, the less you rental is cheaper. Hi little guy. Yep. So this beautiful pool, as usual, nobody at the pool. It's Florida. Every community has a pool, and even in the season, I would say you still will have enough room to be in the pool by yourself. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day, and please let me know if you have any questions about real estate in Florida, about mortgages, how to save 3% a year. So instead of paying 6.5% mortgage, you can pay 3.5. So if you want to know more, just give me a call, 561-406-0717. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.